So we really want to do iterative work when we are doing human-centered design. That means starting small and allowing for iteration. So allowing to make changes in whatever your product is, your design, your messaging, your campaign, so that you can apply what you're learning. It's not going to be great to invest all your time and money into a big campaign if you haven't actually tested and understood what your end user wants to kind of see, or what will actually be impactful for them. To further expand on that, I think human-centered design is just really vital because it ensures that we create solutions tailored to human needs, cultures, and societies, right? So